Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Prajakta. I am again here with a new video. In this video we are going to see the very important factor of the English grammar, that is prefix and the suffixes, which is very much important in the various aspects. With the use of the prefixes and the suffixes, we can make a new type of a word. We create a new words which are acting as a adjective, adverb and many more. So in this video we are going to take information how to create the suffixes, how to create the new words using the suffixes and the prefixes. So let's take a look. Suffix and prefix, these are the letter or the group of the letters which we use to make a new different words. So there are the two types, suffix and the prefix. We are going to see first the prefixes. What means the prefixes? A letter or a group of a letter added the front of the word to change its meaning and it makes a new word. So what it work as? When new word is formed, it can be the negative form of the word, it can be the repetition, it can be indicate the position. So we will see a few prefixes. I have tried my best to collect here the maximum number of the prefixes. You can find with your own also. So let's see. So I have made here a table, that is prefix, meaning and examples. First one is DE, meaning from, down, away, reverse or opposite. Examples are decode or decrease. Next one is DIS, meaning not, opposite, reverse or away. Examples disagree, disappear. Third one is EX, out of, away from, lacking or the former. Exhale or explosion. Fourth one is IL, meaning is not, that is illegal or illogical. Fifth one is IM, not or without is the meaning. Examples are impossible, improper. Next one is in, not or without, again the meaning is the same, but examples are inaction or invisible. Seventh one is miss, meaning is bad or wrong. Examples are mislead, misplace, misconception, etc. Eighth one is non, meaning is not. Examples are nonsense, non-fiction. Ninth one is pre, meaning is the before, prefix, prehistory, previous, etc. 10th one is a pro, its meaning is for, forward, before, and examples are proactive, program. 11th one is re, meaning is again or the back. Examples are react, re-exam. 12th one is meaning is against, not or opposite, undo, unequal, etc. Apart from these 12 prefixes, I have a few more here. Super, superman, superwoman, superpower, etc. Mini, minibus. Next one is international, interstate. Next one is tri. This is triangle, tricone, tricolor, etc. So you can find your own examples also. Next part is suffix. Suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of the word to make another new word. So how it works? It changes the words to the past tense. Sometimes it makes a word acting verb or the present participle. Sometimes it makes adjective or adverb. Sometimes it makes a word plural form. So here is a one rule. Mostly the spelling of the basic word remains the same, but few times it doubles the last letter of the word. So let's see with the examples. Again I am make here the 3 columns, that is suffix, meaning and the examples. First one is dash able, meaning of it is able to, having to the quality of. Examples are comfortable, portable, readable, etc. Second one is dash al, it means rating to, relating to. Examples are annual and comical. Third one is dash er, meaning is comparative or a noun form. Example is bigger, cooker, engineer, etc. Fourth one is dash est, it makes the word superlative form, the strongest, tiniest. Fifth one is dash ful, full, meaning is full of. Examples are careful, beautiful. Sixth one is dash ibl, that is able, meaning is forming an adjective. The words which form newly formed word act as an adjective. Examples are terrible, edible, reversible, etc. Seventh one is dash ILY, forming an adverb. Examples happily, lazily, sadly, etc. Next one is dash ing, denoting an action or a material or a gerund form. Examples are acting, showing, whatever you want. Next one is dash less, LESS, meaning is without or not affected by. The examples are endless, friendless. Next one is dash ly, forming an adjective again, clearly, hourly, loudly, etc. Next one is dash NESS, ness, denoting the state or condition. For examples, kindness, sharpness. Next one is dash y, full of or a condition. Examples are glory, messy, victory. Next one is dash or, noun form, it makes a noun form, that is actor, factor. Now we will see the few example of the words where we can make them using the prefix and the suffix also. So word is a cover. We have used here prefix dis and the suffix is able, and the word the new word form is discoverable. Then next one is unlucky, unpredictable, distrustful, unsuccessfully, disconnection, illogical, renewable, reaction, unusual or unusually, improperly, unsuccessful. So these are the few examples which I given here. You can find more, and I have underlined the suffixes and prefixes which are used to make a new word.